We are looking at how to pronounce this name of French origin, as well as how to say more interesting and related names as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So we're going to be looking at how it is said in French as well as in English, how it is usually said in English. In French, in France, for reference, this is said as Clemenceau, Clemenceau, Clemenceau. In English, however, it is often pronounced as Clemenceau, Clemenceau, from French, Clemenceau as in Georges Clemenceau, former Prime Minister of France, Clemenceau or Clemenceau. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious, including names from France. I'll see you there to learn more. Merci. Au revoir.